Okay, what is Jessie doing today? Let's see. I am going to pack my little Stickies Club. Here it is. So we got the stickers. There they are. Aren't they cool? We got the ice cream, the ostrich, my favorite, the water. Everyone needs water, all of them. We got the postcard. I drew that. It's one of my favorites. 12 by 12 pastel. And then we have a magnet. Yay! Silly little sun. And that's it. And I'm gonna pack it up. You know what the best thing about packing this is that I'm listening to an audiobook. It's not a dirty one, don't worry.